guys, I'm in my room. I'm at the Morgan Resort and Spa. I just want to give you like a little tour. This is the bathroom. It's nice. This is the walkway, the closet. Gonna come on through to the bed. Get a little stand for your phone. And the balcony. I'm guessing this is facing another hotel, and these are other hotels in here. Let me open the door. Oh, it's open. Okay, it's warm outside, girl. It's not down there. Is the beach over there. All right, let me go back in. Close this door. Okay. They got the waters, the little drink, little magazines. This is my home for the week, my bag, and so on and so forth. That's me. Okay. All right, bye. I'm at the Morgan Resort and Spa. We do a little wrap around real quick. These are the bars, the chill spot to go to. Plus we're sailing outside there. You got the cruise ship all over there. I don't know if you can see that, yeah. Cruise ship over there. Have the cabanas. It's kind of blurry now. I'm just chilling. Okay guys, I'm on this walkway. I feel like I'm kind of getting married or something like that. Little water. Probably gonna splash, show me. Okay, hurry up. Let's splash me. Okay, now we're at the end. I'm guessing they do like private dinners or massages over here. View, better view. Water.
This world we're living in, problems still.
I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'm out on the balcony of my hotel room. This is the front over here. This casino. I think somebody's gonna ride the ATV over there. You can see them all lined up against the wall. They're gonna ride the ATV. But I'm just chilling. It's early in the morning. Well, not that early. It's like 10 something. This is my view. The mountains and houses. I'm just chilling. I'm gonna go to Loterie Farm later today, or an hour really. I'm gonna go there for their lunch hour. So it's my first time actually sitting on the balcony. I said might as well, because tomorrow is gonna be my last day. So I'll give you like a quick view of Maho Beach right here. You can see closer. Maho Beach. Not people on the beach today. It's probably gonna be filled up later on. More tour buses are gonna come taking people to the beach. So guys, this is my last day at the Morgan Resort. So I'm at the top on the 5th floor. This is the observation deck. Let me show you the scenery. I feel like I'm on top of a mountain. Literally I'm on top of a building. You know? This little chill area. I don't know what's over there. I have to go see what's over there. This is they play a little music. Y'all can you hear that? Anyway, trying to do a lot. This is my last full day here, you know. Tomorrow, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think that I might go to the pool, but I'm not too sure, you know, because I'll have to take a whole shower and try to dry all of my stuff, you know, my towel, my swimsuit before I check out at 11. I might do it. I might go to the beach. I'm not too sure about that, but the beach is always so overcrowded. I'm gonna do another wraparound so you guys can see. Yeah, the beach is kind of I was gonna say it's kind of crowded in the mornings. We haven't tried going at 8 o'clock in the morning, so maybe it's a little bit different. The water's probably hella cold, but let's see what's down here. Okay, somebody playing the drums or the drums, the pan drum. Where you go? Let's see. Okay. Let's walk. What's it? Oh, this thing's on the other building. What? How come this thing on the? I thought this was connected. I'm wearing such a difficult outfit. It's just like somebody's coming. Let's hurry up. Somebody's coming. Sorry, it's kind of shaky. Oh my gosh, forgive me. Such a horrible singer. I'm sorry, it's kind of shaky. It's hella windy out here. Sorry, it's all the way in the camera. I'm using my iPhone, so I don't have the space to see, you know, camera. I'm not going too far over the edge. Anyway, I have a little chat. So the first day I came here, I went to the beach. Like I went to my hotel. I packed my stuff a little bit, and then I put my little swimsuit on and went to Maho, whatever it's called, beach down there. Let me see if I can So I went to Maho beach down there. After that, I gave a shit because I went to the restaurant just for my swimsuit, and I think I had shorts on, I believe. Shorts had like some type of like wrap around me, a wrap or some type of thing on me. And then the second day, wow, I don't even remember the second day. I think I went to, wow, I can't even remember. I think I know, so I remember now. So the second day I went to the pool. I went by like this, they had this area where you can just chill, relax, and watch the ocean. So I went in the chill area, I changed my clothes, and then I got my swimsuit, got my shorts, my t-shirt. After that, I went to the beach for a little bit. It was hella crowded. I didn't think it was gonna be that crowded because the first day I went, it was chill. It was barely nobody there. People just chilling, relaxing. But the second day, it was a hell of people there. I think because the time I went, you know. Let me get a little closer for you.
Right now, in this world we're living in, Problems still exist, our people are suffering. Real issues, racism, inequality, children with the lack of education and poverty, police brutality and dishonesty. I don't trust the media, turn off the TV. And what have we learned from history? I see laws, but there's no consistency. We're killing each other, we're killing the planet. Burning fossil fuels and one-use plastic is tragic. What about the future? This ain't a joke, it's past the point of humor. No, I won't turn a blind eye, it's time for change.